The crypto market is moving fast, and if you're not paying attention, you might miss out on some of the biggest opportunities of 2025. With Bitcoin making political moves, Ethereum evolving, and altcoins gaining serious traction, March is shaping up to be a game-changing month for investors. But the real question is, which altcoins are set to explode next? While some projects are fading into obscurity, others are making massive strides in technology, adoption, and mainstream recognition. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 altcoins to watch this March, breaking down why they're gaining momentum, what's driving their success, and whether they could be your next big investment. Stick around until the end, because the last altcoin on this list is making moves no one saw coming. Let's get started. Bitcoin has always been the king of crypto, but March 2025 has brought something no one saw coming. President Trump just announced the creation of a Bitcoin strategic reserve, a bold move that could change the future of digital assets forever. But what does this really mean? According to reports, the reserve is designed to secure a national stockpile of Bitcoin, positioning the U.S. as a dominant force in the crypto economy. The goal? To hedge against inflation, stabilize the dollar, and ensure that America stays ahead in the digital financial race. This decision came after months of closed-door meetings with top financial experts and crypto leaders, sparking speculation that Bitcoin could soon be integrated into national economic strategies. But the real shocker? The market's reaction. Within hours of the announcement, Bitcoin's price spiked dramatically, only to crash just as fast as uncertainty set in. Investors rushed to buy in, while skeptics warned of government intervention ruining crypto's decentralized nature. Some even speculate this could lead to Bitcoin becoming a mainstream reserve asset, similar to gold. And that's just the beginning, because the implications of this move go far beyond Bitcoin itself. Other major cryptocurrencies are reacting, and Ethereum is already making waves in response. What's happening with ETH? Stick around, because this next development might surprise you. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ethereum is quietly reshaping the entire crypto landscape. And in March 2025, it's not just keeping up, it's leading the charge with groundbreaking upgrades that could change everything. Ethereum has always been the backbone of decentralized applications, but its biggest challenge? Scalability. Slow transactions and high fees have been a major issue, until now. The latest Ethereum upgrade, codenamed Purge, is designed to drastically reduce blockchain bloat by eliminating outdated data, making transactions faster and cheaper than ever. Some experts even believe this could push Ethereum past Bitcoin in real-world utility. But that's not all. Ethereum's latest innovations in Layer 2 scaling solutions are making waves. Platforms like Optimism and Arbitrum are now processing thousands of transactions per second, proving that Ethereum isn't just improving, it's evolving into something far more powerful. And here's the kicker. Institutional investors are paying attention. Major financial giants, including BlackRock and JP Morgan, have reportedly increased their Ethereum holdings, fueling speculation that ETH could be gearing up for a historic price run. But while Ethereum is gaining momentum, one altcoin is making a surprising comeback: XRP. And with its recent inclusion in a government-backed digital asset stockpile, things are getting interesting. What does this mean for the future of XRP? Let's break it down. XRP has been one of the most controversial cryptocurrencies in the space, but in March 2025, it's making headlines for a completely different reason. The US government just added XRP to its official digital asset stockpile, and the markets are going wild. This move shocked investors, considering XRP's long history of legal battles with the SEC. But now, with its regulatory issues finally behind it, XRP is being recognized as a legitimate player in the digital finance space. The big question is, why XRP? Some analysts believe it's because of XRP's lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees, making it a perfect choice for cross-border payments. Others speculate that big banks and financial institutions have been quietly accumulating XRP, preparing for mass adoption, and the market reaction? Immediate price surges followed by sharp corrections as traders try to predict what happens next. But there's more. Some insiders claim that XRP's inclusion in the digital asset stockpile is just the beginning. If major governments and institutions start holding XRP as part of their digital reserves, we could see a massive shift in the crypto landscape. And speaking of game-changing cryptocurrencies, one altcoin is proving itself with blazing fast transactions and a growing developer ecosystem. That's right, Solana is back in the spotlight. Let's dive into why it's making serious moves right now.
Are you looking to secure your cryptocurrency investments? Meet Ledger, the ultimate solution for protecting your digital assets. Ledger offers top-tier hardware wallets designed to keep your crypto safe from online threats. With products like the Ledger Nano S Plus, Nano X, and the new Ledger Stacks, you can store your private keys offline, ensuring they are out of reach from hackers. Unlike hot wallets, which are connected to the internet and susceptible to hacks, Ledger hardware wallets provide cold storage, keeping your private keys offline. This makes them immune to online attacks. Paired with the Ledger Live app, managing your crypto has never been easier. Buy, exchange, and grow your assets all in one secure place. The app supports over 5,000 coins and tokens, making it versatile for any crypto enthusiast. Whether you're just starting with crypto or are a seasoned investor, Ledger has a device for you. The Ledger Nano S Plus is perfect for beginners, while the Nano X offers Bluetooth connectivity for on-the-go use. For the ultimate in security and customization, check out the Ledger Stacks with its advanced e-ink touchscreen. Ready to take control of your crypto security? Click the link in the description to get your Ledger hardware wallet today and join the millions of users who trust Ledger for their digital asset protection.
If there's one altcoin that refuses to be ignored, it's Solana. After surviving its fair share of ups and downs, Solana is making a serious comeback in March 2025. And this time, it's faster, stronger, and more dominant than ever. So, what's driving this resurgence? First, Solana's transaction speed is unmatched, processing up to 65,000 transactions per second, while Ethereum struggles with just a fraction of that. And with its ultra-low fees, developers and projects are flocking to the Solana ecosystem. But here's where things get interesting. Big-name brands are jumping in. Recently, Solana secured partnerships with major fintech companies, and even a global retail giant looking to integrate blockchain-based payments. This level of adoption is a huge signal that Solana isn't just a speculative asset, it's becoming a real-world solution. And then there's the NFT and gaming boom. While some thought the NFT hype was dead, Solana's blockchain gaming sector is exploding. New projects are launching daily, bringing in millions of users and proving that Solana isn't just fast, it's becoming the go-to platform for Web3 applications. But while Solana is winning on speed and adoption, another altcoin is taking a completely different approach, one based on research, precision, and long-term strategy. And that's where Cardano comes in. Let's talk about why it's still one of the most promising projects in crypto, OJEX in crypto. While other altcoins chase hype and quick gains, Cardano is playing the long game, and in March 2025, that strategy is finally paying off. Unlike most projects that rush to market, Cardano has built its blockchain with peer-reviewed research and mathematical precision, making it one of the most secure and scalable networks in crypto. But here's what really sets Cardano apart: its real-world impact. While many blockchains focus on speculative trading, Cardano is actively working on real adoption in developing countries. Governments and institutions across Africa and South America are exploring Cardano's blockchain for financial inclusion, identity verification, and even land ownership records. This isn't just theory. These partnerships are already in motion. And let's talk about upgrades. Cardano's latest development, the Hydra scaling solution, is a game changer. It allows the network to process thousands of transactions per second while maintaining its signature low fees. That means Cardano isn't just catching up to Ethereum and Solana, it's preparing to compete at an entirely new level. And the market is noticing. Institutional investors are showing fresh interest, and ADA's price action is reflecting growing confidence in its long-term vision. So, with Bitcoin making political moves, Ethereum evolving, XRP gaining legitimacy, Solana scaling rapidly, and Cardano expanding its real-world use cases, which altcoin will dominate in 2025? One thing's for sure, the crypto market is heating up, and we're just getting started. So, what does all of this mean for crypto investors in 2025? One thing is clear, the altcoin market is more competitive than ever. Bitcoin's new strategic reserve is shaking up the financial world. Ethereum's latest upgrade is revolutionizing scalability, XRP is gaining government-backed legitimacy, Solana is dominating Web3 and blockchain gaming, and Cardano is playing the long game with real-world adoption. Each of these altcoins brings something unique to the table. But the big question is, which one will lead the charge this year? Will Bitcoin continue its reign, or will Ethereum, Solana, XRP, or Cardano take the spotlight? One thing's for sure, March 2025 is just the beginning. As the market evolves, new opportunities will emerge, and staying informed is the key to making the right moves. So, which of these altcoins do you think has the most potential? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto updates.
If you haven't already done so, visit our website. You will find the link in the description.